Hey everyone, this is Lola Reddy from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today I'm here to show you a preset that I made inspired by Ben Böhmer's track After Earth. This preset is not supposed to be a copy, but something I was inspired by, and the original sounds like this. And the preset. You can get this preset here in the description below, or you can get it in my preset pack along with 59 other amazing presets that work really well with progressive house and melodic house, and you'll be able to check the pack showcase also here in the description below. But enough about talking, and let's start with the sound design. So we're going to use the initial preset from Serum. We're going to use the initial wave as well, which is a sawtooth wave. And we're going to use the unison at 3 and the detune at 0.02. This is going to open up the sound a little bit, and it sounds a little bit like this. Before. What we're also going to do, we're going to pick the release and put this to 730. So we have a little bit more of that tail, but we also need to do the pluck feeling of it. And we're going to use the filter MG Low 18. We're going to put the cutoff to 630. The envelope 2, we're going to modulate the cutoff over here. So we're going to use a sustain at 61%. We're going to use the release around 450. And we're going to use this to modulate at 17 over here. But we also need to increase the resonance to 26% and the drive to 43%. Already has a big difference in the sound, but we're going to only add a few extra effects to make it sound a little bit better. So we're going to pick here a chorus, and we're going to put the chorus to 13% without. You can see it opens up, it gives a little bit of body to the sound. We're also picking the reverb. We're not changing anything in the reverb, and we're putting this to 30%. And lastly, we're going to pick a delay. And in the delay, we're going to put here at 30%. We're also going to put this to 2100 at 2.1. But we also have to put the left and right to 1/8 dot. If you want to increase or change the delay characteristic, you can also do it. But that's it for the preset. You can compare it with the original. As I said before, it's not supposed to be exactly like the original, but it will serve you really well if you want to do a track like Anjunadeep, Ben Böhmer. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button. And you can also buy me a coffee here in the description below. Thank you so much for following Abstrakt, and I see you in the next video. Ciao.